Hello children, I am going to tell you the basic structure of HTML in this videos, how you can use and run the programs of HTML in mobile phones. So basically there is this app HTML viewer and editor. You can download it from Play Store. I'll share the link in description. Just see the link there. Now how to use this app HTML viewer and editor. Just simply when you will click on this app, you will get these two sections, either create page or view code. So if you want to create a page, just click on this create page. The basic structure of this HTML will be there. If you want to write it by your own, you can write it. So I'm telling you the basic structure. I'll just erase all this. Just delete this all. So the very first tag is HTML. Every program starts with the HTML tag, then head, then there is a title tag. In this title tag, you can write anything which will display on the title of your window. My first web page. Say I'm giving this title. Now this is the closing tag. I have closed this title tag. Just close the title tag by this black backslash sign. Now close the head tag here. Now the main step is the body tag. You need to start this tag, and inside the body tag, whatever you will write inside this body tag, this will be displayed on your main web page. So if I want to write my name in the body tag on the main web page, so I'll write here my name. Just close the body tag, and at the last close HTML tag. Now this is the basic structure. The basic very first program is done. Now how to run this program? Just need to click on this arrow given at the top left corner, top right corner. You see there is a title, my first web page, and my name is written in the main web page, the main body part. So this is the basic HTML structure. I want to tell you one more tag here, the heading tag. There are 6 heading tags from H1 to H6. H1 will be the biggest and H6 be the smallest. Start with the H1. I'll write here HTML. And this tag, this is not case sensitive, so you can write in capital letters, you can write small letters as well. It doesn't matter. Now H2, HTML, close the H2 tag. Likewise, write up to H6. Just copy this line so you don't need to write it again and again. Paste it here, again paste it here, because I need to tell you for up to H6. So H1, H2, H3, close this H3, H4, then H5, like this. Done. This program is done. Now the content which is written in H1 tag will be the biggest, will be the largest. The content which was written in between H6 tag, it will be the smallest one. Let's see the program. Just run it. See, 6 times HTML is written because I have written 6 times H1 to H6. So this was the basic program of HTML, and the heading tag is there. Bye bye. Thank you.